Hi, my name's Cash and welcome to Cashed Out Cars. In today's video I'm going to be going over how to replace the PCV valve on a Miata. Now this is the same process for a 1.6 or a 1.8, so if you have a NA or an NB, this will cover how to do this. Let's jump right into it. The first thing to do is to remove this hose clamp here and this one over here. This will allow you to remove this rubber hose. Also, be very careful when you're removing this hose because often these things get old and brittle and can break. Take a look at your hose once it's off the car to see if it's cracked in any places, and if it is rock hard you could replace it, but if it's not damaged you also could reuse it. Next up, you need to remove your PCV valve. Now this just presses into a rubber grommet in the valve cover, so basically you just need to carefully pull it out. I'm going to twist and pull and gently coax it just a little bit with the screwdriver. And then your PCV valve will be out. So here you could see the old valve that I took out of my Miata, and this is the new valve. This is an upgraded valve out of a Mazda 323 Turbo, and the reason I'm using that over a OEM just Miata valve is this one's made to handle a little bit of boost, and I'm in the process of turbocharging my car, so this will suit this application better. Now this isn't an OEM Mazda one. If you want the very best valve that you could get from a Mazda 323, buy the OEM one, and if you want the best valve that you could get for a Miata, buy the OEM one, but I have a couple different options linked in the description down below, and now we could reinstall this. To reinstall it, you simply need to push it into place, and you'll feel it seat in like that, and then it's installed. Now if it's very tricky, you could use a little bit of grease on that valve, and that also could help seal it, but mine went basically by itself, so we're in good shape now and we could reconnect the hose. Those just slide onto place, and then you could use your pliers to put these clamps back on. And then that's it, you're done. So this is a super simple job to do. If you need to pick up a PCV valve, I have a couple different options linked down in the description below. Like this video if you liked it, and share it with some friends if they need help with their Miatas. Check out my channel for more Miata content, and I hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.